Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about surface area of the prism. At the first, what is the meaning of the surface area? Surface area means the sum of the areas of all faces of the prism. To find the surface area of the prism, number one, we need to identify the base. Once you identify the base, you can find its perimeter and its area. After finding the perimeter and the area of the base, we will use the formula that the surface area is equals the perimeter of the base multiplied by the height, which is the line segment joining between the two parallel bases, plus 2 times the area of the base. So number one, we need to identify the base. Number two, find the perimeter and the area of the base. Number three, use the formula the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. Now in question number one, we need to find the surface area of the prism. So at the first, I will identify the base. The base in the shape of rectangle. So we need to find the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base equals the perimeter of rectangle length plus width multiplied by 2. So 9 plus 7 times 2, the answer will be equals to 32. Now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base as a rectangle which equals to length multiplied by width. So 9 multiplied by 7, the answer will be equal to 63 square units. Now we need to find the surface area. To find the surface area, we'll use the perimeter of the base, which is 32, multiplied by the height, which is 30, plus 2 times the area of the base. By multiplying 32 times 13, you will find that the answer will be equal to 416. 2 times 63, you will find that the answer will be 126. By adding the two numbers, you will find that the answer will be 542 squared inch. Because we are talking about surface area or the area, it will be squared unit. In question number 2, we need to find the surface area of the prism. At the first, I need to identify the base. The base in the shape of rectangle. To find the perimeter of the rectangle will be equal length plus width multiplied by 2. The length equals 10 and the width equals 3. So it will be 10 plus 3 times 2. The answer will be equals to 26 units. Now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base which is equal to length multiplied by width, which is 10 times 3. So the answer now would be equal to 30 squared units. Now we need to find the surface area. To find the surface area will be equal to the perimeter of the base, which is 26, times the height, which is equal to 6, plus 2 times the area of the base, which is 30. So all what I have to do is just find the perimeter of the base multiplied by the height, plus the area of the base multiplied by 2. So you'll find that the answer will be 26 multiplied by 6 equals 156, plus 2 multiplied by 30 equals 60. By adding the two numbers, you will find that the answer will be equal to 116 squared units. Now in question number 3. If you look at question number 3, you will find that all of the edges of the prism are equal. Because all of the edges are equal, so it will be cube. The surface area of the cube will be equals 6 multiplied by L square, where L is the edge length. So if all of the edges are equal, just use the formula 6L square. Now we need to find. So 6 multiplied by L, which is the edge length, which is 11. 11 to the power 2. So the answer now would be equal 6 multiplied by 11 to the power 2, 121. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal 726 squared units. In question number 13, we need to find the surface area. If you look at the question number 13, you will find that we have triangular prism. So number one, we need to identify the base. That will be the base. After finding the base, just write the dimensions. You will find that the length of this side equal to 3.6. So that will be 3.6. And the second side equal 3.6. The third side will be equals 4. Now we need to find the height of the triangle. The height of the triangle is the length of the perpendicular line segment from the vertex to the base, which is equal to 3 units. That will be the height of the triangle, not the height of the prism. 14 will be the height of the prism, because it's a line segment joining between the two parallel bases. Now we need to find the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the triangle equal to the sum of the side lengths, which equal 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 4. Just add all of the sides outside. By adding, you will find that the answer will be equals 11.2 inch. Now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base, which equals to half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. The base, which equals to 4, and the height, which equal to 3. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal to 6 squared inch. Now we need to find the surface area. To find the surface area will be equal to the perimeter of the base, which is 11.2, times the height. The height is equal to 14, plus 2 times the area of the base, which is equal to 6. Now 11.2 multiplied by 14, the answer will be equals 156.8, plus 2 multiplied by 6, the answer will be equals to 12. By adding the two numbers, you will find that the answer will be 168.8 squared inch. Again, one more time in question number 14. In number 14, the base has a triangle. So we'll draw the triangle outside. The length of this side equals to 2.5. The other side also are equal because they have the same sign here, so it will be 2.5. The length of the base equal to 3. And the length of the height will be equals to. That will be the height of the triangle, which equals to. Now we need to find the height of the prism, which equals to 4. That will be the height of the prism. So step number 1, we need to find the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle equal to the sum of the side length, which is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 3. By adding, you will find that the answer will be equals to 8 cm. Now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base equals to half multiplied by the length of the base, which equal to 3, multiplied by the height, which is 2. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equals 3 squared unit. Now we need to find the surface area. The surface area will be equal to the perimeter of the base, which is 8, multiplied by the height, which is 4, plus 2 times the area of the base, which is equal to 3. 8 times 4 equals 32. 2 times 3 equals 6. By adding, you will find that the answer will be equal to 38 squared unit. In question number 15, we need to find the surface area. To find the surface area, at the first we need to identify the base. The base in the shape of triangle. So we just need to write the dimension to find the perimeter and the area. The length of this side equal to 3. And we have a right angle triangle, so we can find its area. The perimeter of the triangle equal to the sum of the side length, 3 plus 4 plus 5. By adding, you will find that the answer will be equals to 12. Now we need to find the area. The area of the triangle will be equals half multiplied by the length of the base multiplied by the height, which equal half times 4 times 3. The answer will be equals to 6 squared unit. Now we need to find the surface area. To find the surface area will be equal to the perimeter of the base multiplied by the height plus 2 times the area of the base, which equal to 6. 12 times 6 equals to 72, plus 2 times 6 will be equals to 12. By adding the two numbers will be equals to 84 squared unit. And that's how can we find the surface area of triangular and rectangular prism.